Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaheer and today I'm with my little brother Shaheer.
Hello!
And we're going to show you how to make a special Father's Day sandwich. If you would like to see more cooking videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To make this special sandwich, you'll need
2 slices of bread,
some salami. You don't need to use salami, it's okay if you don't have it because you could use an egg as well. And then what do we need?
some cheese,
And then some green cucumbers.
and then some tomatoes,
We've got lots of different colors. What color is this?
purple,
What's this?
red,
And
yellow.
you don't need to have this many colors of tomato.
If you have red tomatoes, you can add red.
Yeah. Some mayonnaise.
Some sauce,
What color is this?
red.
That's it. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped fried egg. So let's begin. We're using a heart shape, but you don't need to use a heart shape. You can use any cookie cutter.
Like you can use a flower cookie cutter or
Yeah. Or it could just be normal. Firstly, we'll need to put some mayonnaise on. Now Shaheer will put on some red salami. For this, instead of putting the salami, you could use your egg in this part if you don't have salami. Now put some green cucumbers.
Now you put sauce on the top.
Oh, what happened?
That's a lot of sauce. Is that tomato sauce?
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
enough.
that's enough.
That's enough. Now put the what color cheese?
Green.
White.
Green color.
White.
Put it on top. And for the finishing touch, we're going to put the egg on top.
And then put the bread.
Yeah. You put the bread.
Okay. I hope. And squeeze it.
No.
The juice will fall down.
Okay, now we're going to toast it. It's ready. Now let's see how it looks inside. Do you want to cut it? Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
This knife isn't sharp, that's why Shaheer is doing it. Push. Oh, inside it's so sizzly.
Yeah, and so tasty. Oh, look. It's so yummy.
Yum.
It's
Can
very
I have that?
Look at that.
Look, the tomato just ran out of the sandwich.
No, I'm not gonna taste it because it's not for me. It's for my dad. And we're going to make this again next Sunday. So, until the next time, bye.
Bye. Have a good day.